welcome back to my channel. Yes, I've been absent a little bit. I just haven't been feeling the greatest. I'm still getting over being like sick, so I got my hot chocolate next to me because my throat is killing me, but I'm actually starting to feel better. This is the first time all week that I've actually started feeling better, and I actually have like motivation. I still don't know how much couponing I'm gonna do in the middle of the week. I am a little still burnt out on couponing, so I'm just kind of taking it slow, you guys. This month for me is just gonna be kind of an easy month. I just need to take a break, you know. So that's fine. Everybody takes breaks, and I got a lot of stuff going on for the next couple weekends. So I just, you know, I'll still try to do my couponing haul for you guys. So just giving you guys a heads up. But yes, let's just dig in so I can share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Now, sorry for not doing the Walgreens ad preview that day. I just was not feeling good, and I just didn't really want to do it, and I know other people do it, but it's just been so sad lately. So I go to the store that I go to every single Sunday, and I talk to the cashier, and I'm like, hey, have you heard about the new point system? And she's like, no. They still have not informed their employees about the new point system that is starting in November. So November, if you guys haven't noticed, and you guys should have got emails for it, I did, but starting November 4th, you can only redeem up to 5,000 points. So you can do $1, $2, $3, $4, or $5 worth of points. I see a lot of smaller transactions, a lot of transactions, but you know what? I have a feeling this won't last that long. I know they're trying to work out people using their points, which if you guys actually think about it, this is true. You and I might have, you know, up to $100 worth of points, but your average person who shops at Walgreens, like my parents, your parents, well, if you don't use your parents' account, but including like your friends and family, most of those people only have $5 to $10 of points in their system, in the system anyways. So it kind of makes sense that Walgreens is doing this. And if you guys think about it, there's only like 10% of couponers out there, if you really think about it. So they're trying to get it where it's just more easier for people. So if you guys kind of got to put it in two different eye perspective. Like my mom, she shops at Walgreens a lot, but she only has like, I think she's even got I don't even know if she even has $5 worth of points. So just giving you guys a heads up on something like that I know a lot of people were kind of mad about it. Yeah, I think it's a dumb move, but yes, I see myself doing a little bit smaller transactions, which is fine. I'm still going to do hauls for you guys, you know, so just wanted to give you guys a heads up with that. But enough with me explaining stuff. Let's just get down to the haul. Now they got Snickers on sale for 3 for $6. I'm really into getting Snickers, you guys, or Snickers. I'm really into getting candy this year for Halloween. Now, it's not just for me. My husband and I like sneaking candy away from Benjamin, so we got some candy. But the Snickers were 3 for $6 this week, so $2 a piece. We have that 2 off of 3 coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would end up getting all 4 bags for just $4. That comes out to be $1.33 a piece, which actually I think is a pretty decent deal if you guys really think about it. I mean, you can get like a candy bar for $1. Why not get a whole bag of candy for $1.33? So definitely wanted to share with you guys on that deal. Now, I also did the Oreo deal. Now, here's the thing. You guys can do this deal up to 5 times. So you have to do separate transactions. And the reason is because every transaction you get 1 register reward. So, and you guys need to do this deal fast because this is a hot item this week, and Checo 51 will go bye-bye. Just give me, or not the... that deal will go bye-bye. So these Oreos are Oreo bars. You get the mint ones or the regular ones. These are 89 cents. Sorry, I need a drink. These are 89 cents. Now you guys would pay 89 cents at the register for this. Then pops out a register reward for 89 cents, making it free. Now you guys can do this deal as many times as you want, but do not use this register reward to do this deal again. It will not print out. So you guys want to basically do is buy 5 candy bars, 5 transactions, 5 different registry rewards you get. So you guys, I have 5 of them. Okay. I got 5 of them. I got 5. 5 different registry rewards. And you guys want to submit 5 different receipts to Checkout 51. Now, if you bought it all in one transaction, that's fine. But since I had to do it in 5 separate transactions to get 5 different registry rewards, I had to submit my receipt 5 different times for 25 cents. It is a limit of 5. So, you guys can do this up to 5 times. You can do it once or you can do it 5 times. It doesn't matter how many times you guys want to do this. But, again, 89 cents. You guys would pay 89 cents for this. But then you guys will get that 89 cent registry reward, making this absolutely free. But then you guys can submit a receipt for 25 cents off Checkout 51, making it a 25-cent moneymaker. And depending on how many transactions you guys did, it could be up to a $1.25 moneymaker. So definitely do that if you guys can do that. Now, if you have any questions, please let me know. But I submitted my receipt like right away in the car because I'm like, I'm here. I got my receipts. I got everything. I just want to get it done because I have a feeling those will sell out or run out super, super fast. Now, I don't get these coupons, and I thought there was going to be a coupon, so I thought maybe I'll go check a different newspaper, but I checked it before I bought it. Always check. Anytime you guys look at coupons, I always open up the newspaper and I make sure all the newspaper ads are in there because sometimes people steal them or sometimes the newspaper misses them. So I always hear stories, you know, well, my paper didn't get this. If you guys know you're supposed to get that and it didn't get it and you're going to go buy newspapers, check a different pile or check a different location. I know people steal inserts, so just give you guys a heads up. But I looked at the inserts and they didn't have it, so I'm like, you know what, this is still a good deal. So the Purex crystals are $1.99 on sale this week. Now, we should have gotten a $1 off coupon. I didn't get it, but you guys can. But you guys, if you guys did have that coupon, you guys would just pay 99 cents for this. If you didn't get that coupon, you guys would pay $1.99. Still a good deal. But on Saving Star, you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Saving Star. So you guys will end up getting this either for 99 cents without the coupon or free with the coupon. So I thought that's a pretty good deal that I wanted to share with you guys on that. And then I also did the Purex in the laundry detergent. Now again, these were $1.99. Now there is a $1 off coupon if you guys don't have that regular coupon. So there's a $1 off coupon on coupons.com. So you guys use that $1 off coupon. You guys would just pay 99 cents for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Saving Star, making this absolutely free. So had to get this to get free laundry detergent. And I had one more thing. What'd I do with it? Oh, Rimmel. Rimmel eyes. Now, most of you guys know I get an employee discount, so sometimes I have to get more expensive items to use the coupon. Now, Walgreens does not allow overage, so if the product's like $2 and you have a $3 off coupon, you guys can't do that. So I ended up getting some mascara. I feel like mascara is a pretty easy thing. I'm sick of eyebrows. I'm sick of this. I'm like, I like mascara. So these were $4.07 on sale. All the Rimmel brand is all 40% off right now. So $4.07. You guys want to use that $3 off coupon that we have on coupons.com, and it is still available. You guys would just get this for $1.07, which I think is a pretty good deal. Now, they had some cheaper stuff, but I have to factor in with my employee discount that I have to get a little bit more. But I think $1.07 for mascara sometimes is a pretty good deal. And I've had way too much eyebrow stuff, you guys. Just way too much. So I'm like, I'm happy with getting mascara. So good. Okay, so that was my haul. It wasn't the greatest, but I tried finding more stuff for you guys. There's just really nothing out there. I walked around the store, like the clearance sections, there's like nothing there. So, but they're getting all the Christmas stuff out, which is awesome. So my total came to $9.74 for everything. The cashier's like, "Oh, you'll be getting 5,000 points," and I'm like, okay. I'm like, I didn't spend over the maximum or whatever, but I ended up doing 5 separate transactions. 4 were the Oreos and everything else was my normal one. So $9.74 of everything combined. I ended up getting $1.25 back from Checkout 51. That's from all 5 different receipts. I ended up getting 5.89 register rewards, so that's right there, $4.45. I ended up getting 5,000 points, which I don't know what, but I got 5,000 points. And then I ended up getting $2 back for Saving Star, and that's for the 2 Purex items. So if you add everything together, I got everything for $2.96 free. Everything became free. It was a $2.96 moneymaker, and I'm just like, yeah, free candy. Free candy. So yes, definitely wanted to share with you guys on that. Now it will be a different price for you, but I like to share with you guys as many deals as I can. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys all next time for another Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye bye.